Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious marshmallow popcorn using your microwave. First, gather your simple ingredients: popcorn kernels, marshmallows, and butter. You'll also need a large microwave-safe bowl and a sturdy spatula. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with popping that corn. Now let's pop that corn. Take 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels and place them into your large microwave-safe bowl. Cover the bowl loosely with a microwave-safe lid or plate. Microwave on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. Listen carefully. When the popping slows to 1 or 2 seconds between pops, it's ready. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fun recipes. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, we'll create that gooey marshmallow goodness. In a separate microwave-safe bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 cups of mini marshmallows. Microwave this mixture for about 1 minute, then stir it until it's completely smooth and creamy. Finally, pour this warm, melted marshmallow mixture evenly over your freshly popped popcorn and mix everything together thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.